The unstoppable armor. Nutrition for thoughts.
Hello friends, my name is Pradyumna Kumar and welcome to my channel The Unstoppable Armor. India's pharmaceutical sector caters to 20% of the global demand for generic drugs and 60% of the global demand for vaccination. Notably, we also have the largest number of pharma manufacturing sites approved by the US FDA outside of the United States. But the question is how? How India transformed this sector and what India had done in the past so everybody is recognizing India as pharmacy of the world. The booming pharmaceutical industry of India is a leading source to provide life-saving medicines at affordable prices to countries that need them the most. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the world continued to depend on Indian vaccine and pharmaceutical manufacturers to get their supply of medicines. With low-cost skilled manpower and a well-established manufacturing units, India is all set to play a vital role to protect world's interest from drug security. Product patents on medicines were not granted in India before 2005. As a result, Indian pharmaceutical manufacturers were able to produce low cost generic versions of drugs that had patents from other countries. With the help of reverse engineering, India was the first to bring to the market affordable versions of HIV and cancer drugs within a few years after their US launch. With numerous generic drug producers in India, there has been a price reduction of over 99% for drugs across various therapeutic areas such as tuberculosis, malaria, HIV/AIDS, hepatitis C, and drugs for non communicable diseases, where are critical aspects of public health programs. Apart from medicines, India is one of the biggest suppliers of low cost vaccines to countries all over the world. When large MNC pharmaceutical companies held a complete monopoly over the hepatitis B vaccine, India was the first to market the vaccine at an affordable price for the public. India is the country with the largest number of US FDA compliant pharmaceutical plants, which plays a key role in augmenting its pharmaceutical export efforts. It is estimated that about 65% of the children in the world receive a minimum of one vaccine manufactured by India. In light of the COVID-19 pandemic, India is amongst the biggest exporters of vaccines with world-class research and development facilities and qualified manpower. Over the past few years, India has emerged as a global medical superpower by strengthening its research and development ecosystem and fueling pharmaceutical exports. The Indian pharmaceutical sector has firmly moved onto a path of growth and innovation even when the entire world was gripped in the clutches of the pandemic. All that can be said with absolute confidence is that further investments will enable India's pharmaceutical sector to make it to the global top players. Below mentioned points are some steps taken by India to become the pharmaceutical giant. Number 1. Follow global practices. Indian companies considered adopting global best standards, benchmarking and sharing best practices by pharmaceutical companies are also critical tools for fueling business strategies and growth. Monitoring and analyzing competitors' products as well as the customer sentiments towards such products help companies gain competitive intelligence that can be used to improve product quality. Efficient execution of these measures results in awareness among various stakeholders and ultimately has a positive impact on the quality of pharmaceutical products. Number 2. Implementing track and trace system. An effective digital track and trace system eliminated counterfeit drugs being sold in the market. A track and trace system for pharmaceutical does exactly what its name promises. It tracks a drug, a vaccine, a medical device, anything in any configuration as it moves forward through the supply chain and traces backward to reveal where it has been in the supply chain, all the way back to the individual ingredients or components that combine to create it. Number 3, powerful quality control and assurance. Simplification of regulatory hurdles, streamlining of the compliance requirements, and enhanced usages of information technology, and where possible, artificial intelligence is the key driver in helping pharmaceutical companies focus more on quality control and assurance. Further, pharmaceutical companies invested more in improving their internal control check mechanism. They also focused on strengthening their quality management systems, nurturing a quality culture, and training and upskilling their talent pool. Number 4, low manpower cost. One of the key advantages of manufacturing in India is the low manpower cost. To have the continued benefit of this advantage, it is critical that suitable training is imparted to develop competences to apply technology and artificial intelligence in optimizing production process and quality. However, if you have come by so far, that means you like my video. To get more informational video like this, do press the like button and share this video with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel. God bless you all.